Cappadocia is everywhere right now. Hot air balloons, fairy chimneys, underground cities. Millions search for it every month. But almost no one talks about what actually makes Cappadocia unforgettable. Today, you'll follow the exact questions people are searching and uncover the answers only when the story is ready to reveal them. Because Cappadocia doesn't impress you all at once, it unfolds. Every morning before sunrise, Cappadocia wakes differently. The sound of burners igniting, shadows moving across stone valleys, the sky slowly filling with color. People search. Is the hot air balloon worth it? Is it safe? When is the best time? But here's the secret. The balloons are only the invitation, not the destination. Because what you see from the sky makes sense only after you understand what lies below. Most people photograph the fairy chimneys. Few understand them. These shapes weren't built. They were revealed, carved by wind, rain, and time over millions of years. Monks once lived inside them. Families hid here during invasions. And when you walk among them quietly, you realize something important. Cappadocia wasn't designed to be seen. It was designed to be survived. People search. How deep are Cappadocia's underground cities? Why were they built? Are there more hidden? Derinkuyu, Kaymakla, multi-level worlds carved beneath your feet, ventilation shafts, stone doors, entire civilizations hidden underground. But here's the part most guides don't say. Archaeologists believe many underground passages remain undiscovered. Cappadocia isn't fully mapped, and that mystery still breathes beneath the ground. People search for the best time to visit Cappadocia. But the truth is more layered. Spring brings color, autumn brings clarity, winter brings silence and snow-covered valleys. What matters isn't the season, it's what version of Cappadocia you want to meet, and how easily you can move between these places. That's where most travelers struggle. Cappadocia becomes magical when logistics disappear. Here's how you travel smarter, and links are in the description. Cheap Flights Avia Sales helps you find the best flight deals to Turkey without endless comparisons. Kiwi.com is perfect if you're combining Istanbul, Cappadocia, and other regions. Getting around Cappadocia, hidden valleys, sunrise viewpoints, quiet villages. Many are unreachable without a car. Local Rent and Get Rent a Car help you compare prices and rent reliably, without surprises. These tools solve the biggest pain points: less stress, fewer crowds, more freedom. Some links are affiliate links at no extra cost to you. They support the channel and allow more cinematic travel stories like this to exist. Thank you. In Avanos, hands shape clay the same way they have for centuries. In small kitchens, clay pots are broken open to reveal slow-cooked meals. At night, stories are told through music instead of words. These moments don't trend, they don't go viral, but they're the moments that stay with you longest. Here's the truth people don't search for, but feel when they arrive. Cappadocia isn't trending because of balloons, or rocks, or underground cities. It's trending because it makes you slow down, because it reminds you how small you are, and how connected everything once was. Cappadocia doesn't impress you, it humbles you. If this story sparked your curiosity, your journey isn't over. Watch the next video appearing on your screen now. It reveals even more of Cappadocia most travelers never see, and completes this experience. And tell me in the comments, what place should we uncover next? the way search results never show it. Your idea might become the next video.